Chrysler electronic ignition module. There's two of them. These go bad, one right after the other. They're notorious for that. I'm replacing it with GM HEI. I've got the cool heat sink radiator to mount it on. That was a bit pricey, but yeah. That's heat sink conductive paste to put under the module, which isn't here yet. Thanks, Amazon. And this is a Pertronix flamethrower coil. It's a 1.5 ohm. I hope that's low enough. We're about to find out. Look, it's hot. Anyway, this is all going on my wood chipper. That's right, a wood chipper.